Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 887 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another product from the Winky Lux S'mores collection, and this is the lip balm, which, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. First of all, I love lip balms and Winky Lux makes the cutest lip balms, but also this one says it smells like marshmallow. So I'm really excited about that. So this was sent to me for free from Winky Lux in this adorable, amazing PR package that I featured in my most recent vlog. But this is not a sponsored video. I just like to let you know when the products that I'm reviewing were sent to me for free. But so this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. And of course, it has the most adorable packaging. You can see it has little pictures of little s'mores on it. Seriously, the packaging is amazing. Ooh. And so this is one of their tri-colored lip balms. And I definitely get that little hint of marshmallow scent, but it's definitely not a very strong, overpowering smell at all, which is not a bad thing. And oh my gosh, it's so funny. It has the marshmallow, the chocolate, and the graham color colors on here. So here is what that looks like. You can see all of the colors there. And it says it has a sheer nude tint. Oh my gosh, that sounds perfect. I'm gonna start out by doing a little swatch. It actually kind of swatches striped, so I'm kind of mixing it together. Oh yeah, I mean, it's very sheer. It does have a little bit of color, you can see, but I wasn't so sure what a nude shade was gonna look like. But no, this actually looks like a perfect nude, which is kind of like a rose brownish shade. Ooh. I feel like now that it's like, you know, kind of applied and blended out, I can smell the marshmallow scent a little bit more. But okay, let's see how it is on my lips, which are dry as usual. Before I rub my lips together, I just want you to be able to see that color difference from the bottom lip to the top lip. It definitely adds a noticeable tint of color that looks so pretty. Like seriously, a gorgeous, perfect nude. Oh my gosh. This is so impressive. When you look at it at first, it kind of seems like it would be like a brown nude, but it's not too brown at all. It has that perfect nude rosy color to it that, oh my gosh, I love this. Like, it definitely gives color and makes a difference. Oh my gosh, it looks perfect. I like can't get over this color right now. I'm just so pleasantly surprised, and then it just is seriously the perfect nude. Because it is sheer enough that you can still have your natural lip color showing, but then with that perfect nude tint on top, it just makes that perfect nude lip color, but then it's also going to be kind of customized to you and your natural lip color. Oh, and then just aside from the color, which obviously I'm obsessed with, this formula is so nice, so hydrating. Like I said, my lips were chapped before I applied this. They don't look at all in the least bit chapped. There's complete hydration on my lips now. Even color, not clinging to any dry patches. And this even has a nice, subtle shine to it. So this is just all around amazing. A perfect lip balm. With it applied on my lips, I really don't notice much, I can't even say much. I don't even notice any scent to it, which is not a bad thing in my opinion. Okay, wow. This might be one of my favorite lip balms I have ever tried. Just everything about this is perfect. The packaging, the formula, the color, the hydration, everything about it I absolutely love. There are no changes I would make to this. It's seriously perfect. If you're looking for your perfect nude lip, this is all it takes. You know what? I'm actually curious about the transfer. Yeah. So there's a little bit of transfer and you can see a little bit of a mark, but that's way less transfer and less noticeable transfer than if I were to apply a nude lipstick. So I love this. This is going to be a go-to product for me. It's so easy, but it really amps up your look, makes it look like you put in a lot of effort into your lip color. It's super enhancing to the lips, but it can be casual, it can be dressed up. So this is my perfect all day, every day nude lip balm, and I'm so excited about it. So I did also try out the Smores palette, which I love. So I'll have that linked in the description down below if you want to see that video. But I am so obsessed with the Smores collection from Winky Lux. I highly recommend you check it out. Both of the products I feel like I'll get so much use out of, and I'll use them up and I can use them every day. So I love products like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan to try out anything from the Smores collection, or if you have tried them. I always want to know your thoughts on the products in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.